Economic uncertainty is back. The stock market is wobbling, manufacturing is slowing, and global trade tensions are flaring up, again. If you're a small business owner, you're probably asking, how do I survive this? Today, we'll walk through proven, practical strategies to recession-proof your business. No fluff, just actionable steps across manufacturing, services, and product-based businesses. Let's start with what's happening. In May 2025, the U.S. manufacturing PMI fell to 48.5%. That's contraction territory. Imports have hit their lowest level since 2009, partly because of rising tariffs, especially from tensions with China. This affects everything, from the parts manufacturers need to the products retailers sell. But here's the truth. Small businesses that adapt fast don't just survive, they grow. Let's talk manufacturing. Imagine you run a small metal fabrication company. Steel tariffs are squeezing your costs. What can you do? Tactic number 1, shift your supply chain. Work with domestic or non-tariff country suppliers. Think Vietnam, Mexico, or US recyclers. Tactic number 2, niche down your market. Instead of offering generic fabrication, pivot to high-demand sectors like renewable energy parts or precision tools for biotech. Industries still investing despite the downturn. For example, one Ohio-based metal shop started producing parts for EV chargers when their usual construction contracts dried up. Now, service businesses. Let's say you run a commercial cleaning service. With office space shrinking and remote work on the rise, your contracts may be drying up. Tactics specialize and follow the money. Transition from office cleaning to sterile cleaning services for dental offices or small clinics. Medical and health sectors have stringent hygiene needs and steady funding. By training your staff on compliance standards and targeting health providers, you not only retain revenue, you increase it. One company in Texas doubled their income after targeting only dialysis centers. What if you sell physical products? Picture a garment embroidery business. Right now, consumer spending is down, and custom shirts for reunions or events are way down too. So what do? Pivot to embroidery for the medical or security industry. Lab coats, scrubs, tactical gear, etc. By focusing on a sector that's recession-resistant, like healthcare, your business remains relevant and even indispensable. Use LinkedIn to directly message procurement officers and reach out to local clinics with samples. No matter your industry, explore secondary revenue streams. Manufacturers can offer rush services or assembly support. Service providers can add training videos or monthly maintenance plans. Product sellers can create bundles, subscriptions, or digital design sales. For instance, that embroidery shop? Sell downloadable shirt templates or start a B2B subscription box for clinics needing fresh branded scrubs every quarter. Here's the big takeaway. Don't go broad, go specific. Follow essential industries, healthcare, energy, logistics. Rethink who your best customer is in a down market. Be agile. You don't need a new business, just a new angle. Recession-proofing doesn't mean playing defense. It means repositioning your business to solve urgent, specific problems. And that's where growth happens. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with another business owner, and subscribe for weekly breakdowns like this one. And don't forget to grab your free recession-proofing checklist. Link in the description below.